2, 1, and hips, head, knees, head, hips, ball. Hips, head, knees, head, ball.
Come on!
Not fair, man. Their reach is bigger than mine.
You're gonna make excuses or you're gonna win.
Chest, toes, head, ball.
Come on! Slow motion, bro. What do you mean?
Wait, sorry. I'm not happy with this. Wait, look at my feet, look at your feet.
Shoulder, toes, hips, ball.
Oh wow! I just can't stop winning, guys. Yo.